So, good morning and good evening to all of our viewers. So, once again, this is Jody, your host for Grandison's Espresso Lounge. So, this is your virtual coffee table where we catch up with our nurses, PTs, and of course, our OTs and our partners. So, for tonight's Grandison's Espresso Lounge, we have a very special guest for tonight. No, um, he is one of our physical therapists in the United States. Well, one of our most recent PTs who completed their contract in the United States, no? So let me introduce to you Mr. Noel De Leon. Hello, Sir Noel.
Magandang gabi. Hello, hi.
Ayan, magandang gabi, sir, no? So, before we start our interview, sir, can you introduce yourself to all of the PTs who are watching right now, no? Possibly, saan po tayong galing school and saan state po
Hmm.
tayo naka-apply? Ayan.
Hi guys, so my name is Noel De Leon. I'm from Cebu. Graduate ako sa Veles College. Tapos, na-assign ako sa New York, specifically sa Brooklyn.
Yan.
So, ang setting ko is a nursing home, like skilled nursing facility.
Okay. Thank you for the introduction, Sir Noel, no? And hello sa mga taga-Veles dyan. Actually, kakagaling lang namin ng Veles I think 2 weeks ago, sir, no? We did have a career coaching sa Veles. Yan. And you mentioned, sir, no, New York po, no? Kailan kayo dumating ng US, sir, by the way?
May 2019. Tatlo kami.
2019? Nako, bago mag-pandemic, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So congratulations, sir, on your 5th year sa
Thank
United
you. Yeah.
Happy 5th year
Nakaraos din.
anniversary.
Oo.
Happy 5th year anniversary and congratulations also on completing your 5-year contract with Grandison.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
So, kamusta, sir? Bago lang ako mag-proceed sa questions on kamusta po yung arrival ninyo and how was the experience dun sa nursing home or sa rehab facility? Kamusta yung first 5 years sa United States?
Totoo lang,
Kamusta
yung
yung
first
family?
year talaga kasi galing ka sa Pinas, yung adjustment, mahirap talaga kasi first winter, mga ganyan. Tapos, example, dumating sa staff house, yung kama is medyo soft ba? So, kailangan kasi ng rest after a long flight. So, yun, isa din yung adjustment. Tapos, yung pagkain din kasi medyo different yung food nila sa atin ba. So, yun yung mga struggles initially, ganyan.
Yes.
Tsaka yung laundry. Yung laundry mo, ikaw yung pupunta sa laundromat tapos gawin mo doon.
When you first arrived ba sa US, sir, kasama niyo na po agad lang inyong family or pag-isa po muna kayo dumating sa US?
When I was coming here, tatlo kami na Grandison, tapos wala pa yung family ko dito, so ako lang may isa. Tapos yung mga nakilala ko sa sa airport na yun, mga ibang Grandison din. Doon na kami nakita.
Okay, no. And pare-parehas ba kayo New York, sir, no? Nagkaroon ba bigla ng
Tapos lang, pero iba-ibang facility. Yung isa nasa upstate, tapos isa yung sa Brooklyn, pero parang like after na kasi iba-iba na yung buhay niya, so rarely makikita kayo. Yan.
Yeah. No? Yeah. And nung dumating kayo, sir, was it also a winter time din ba yung dumating kayo?
Springtime yun. Yeah.
Yeah. So medyo malamig-lamig na rin ng konti, no? Pero
medyo
time na yun. And throughout the 5 years, sir, no, you stayed on the same facility kung saan kayo na-assign?
Yeah.
Wow.
Doon na ako sa
facility.
Yeah.
No? And that's in Borough Park, right, sir? No?
Borough Park, yes. Yan? Parang malaking nursing home kasi dyan sa Brooklyn, so kailangan talaga nila din.
Yeah, I think it's also one of the biggest nursing and rehab facility ni Centers Healthcare, no, na partner ni Grandison. And so far, I think there's more like 3 PTs, no, sa facility, sir. Ilan po yung PTs na kasama nyo doon na Grandison din?
Nandun ngayon, 2 na lang kami eh. Kasi
2 na lang.
Umalis na, natapos na, ganyan ba?
Yes.
2 na lang kami.
No, so more or less within your contract, sir, no, umabot kayo ng 3 Grandison PT.
There was a time, 3 kami, yeah.
And Yan, no? And hopefully, in the future, no, dumating na yung kapalit mo, Sir Noel, dun sa Boro para hindi na sila
Yeah.
malungkot. Doon na ulit sila.
Oo, kailangan nila doon.
Ayan, ayan, no? And going back, sir, no, throwback lang, no?
Mm.
Kung mabalik natin 5 years ago, no, what
Mm.
was it, no? Ano yung offer or program ni Grandison that made you sign a contract with us?
More of sila nang bahala mag-process sa mga papeles. Tapos, part na yung review, covered na yung airfare, stay for the first month. So, malaking tulong din yan. Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos, may office sila sa Manila at Cebu. So, if may mga questions ka, madali lang ma-reach out ba.
Yes. And syempre, no, as a PT, I think it's not just the USA na kino-consider kadalasan ng mga PTs. There's also Middle East, Australia, and even UK, no? So ikaw, sir, no, did you also consider other countries like that? Or talagang yung goal niyo talaga?
US lang talaga pinocus ko. Oh. Hindi na ako nag-tingin-tingin ba sa iba yun.
Hindi na nagpaligoy-ligoy pa, no?
Hindi na.
Yan. Ano yung mga ibang factors na naka-consider or naka-affect po dun sa consideration or decision ninyo to choose United States? Do you have a family sa US? Was it the salary?
More of salary, tapos, I would say like, di ba, galing ka Pilipinas, parang, tapos yung mga movies nakikita mo, parang very US based. So parang gusto mo rin makita yung mga lugar na saan nag-setting yun ba?
Okay.
Then, okay din naman, yeah. So,
Okay, sir. That's great to know. And hopefully, na-visit nyo na rin po yung mga movie locations na napapanood nyo before.
sa New York, marami dyan.
Ayan. Okay. Mukhang alam ko lang was the Brooklyn area.
Yung John Wick, nandun.
Parang may series kasi before that was based in the Brooklyn area. Sila Blair. Bakit hindi ko alam, sir, kasi medyo sa mga
Blair.
girls to. Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan. And so far, sir, no, since you work in a skilled nursing facility and rehab for like 5 years, what do you think, sir, yung pinaka-favorite experience, what was your favorite part or favorite experience as working as a PT, no? Sa
Sa
USA.
mga SNF.
Yeah.
Well, sa experience ko, yung pag ma-friend mo na yung pasyente, ang dali lang talaga ng buhay kasi kilala mo na sila eh.
Yes.
Tapos, if they're like residents and nasa PT, so they really need rehab, no? Like, mag-decline sila or God forbid, mag-fall, ganyan. So, iniibal mo yon or napunta sila sa hospital. So, medyo madali na lang talaga. Tapos, alam mo na rin na, parang may nag-deviate ka konti kasi medyo may masakit siguro after nahulog siya ba na unattended. So, yun. Tapos, pag mag-build ka na talaga ng connection sa kanila, parang easy na talaga kasi alam na yung ginagawa nila. Parang ini-instruct mo na lang tapos follow up ka na lang na, natapos mo na yon ganyan. Kaya mo pa ba mag-continue or rest na muna? Tapos, yun. So, in a skilled nursing facility, I'd say yung mga long terms, madali lang. Pero yung mga bagong dating, like mga came in for knee replacement, mga ganyan, challenging at first as a new therapist kasi mag-set up ka pa ng mga gadgets like sa knee replacement, yung continuous passive movement na machine ba. So, mabigat yon. Tapos yung bago pa ako, so hindi ko alam na pwede mo palang gamitin yung wheelchair, ilagay mo yung machine doon, tapos i-push mo na lang. Ang ginawa ko, binuhat ko yung yung machine o CPM papunta sa like 6 or 7 floor. Buti na lang may elevator pero mabigat pa rin, di ba? So, yan, isa yan sa mga bloopers ko dati doon. Tapos yung mga ibas naman medyo anong tawag dyan, medyo challenging yung paghanap ng mga charts kasi hindi lahat nandito ba, tapos hindi mo makontakt yung family. So as a new therapist, mahirap talaga yan, pero later on, may ma-develop ka na system na madali na lang yung buhay mo, ganyan.
Yes, no? And then may memorize na rin natin yung chart nila by heart minsan, no? Especially sa mga
Sometimes, yeah.
students, right?
Mm.
And
Para,
kamusta,
lumabas na may pangalan. So, yun. Kilala ko na to. Parang kayang-kaya.
no? And how are these experiences, no? Kamusta po sila? How did they help you in terms of your professional growth, no? Gaano kalaki yung impact nila? Or is there any experience that you think made a significant impact sa experience mo as a PT dyan sa United States, sir?
Basically, makikita mo lang yung pasyente na yung from total dependent, maging, let's say, contact guard or standby assist. Parang malaking ano na rin yan sa feeling mo, napalakad ko si lolo or si lola kasi galing palang wala talaga, di ba? Tapos
Yeah.
nag-lose siya ng hope na. So, after na parang high functioning na siya, okay, very good. So, as a PT, ayun, yun yung gusto mong makita. So,
Yes.
yan, mga achievement yan na moments, yan.
No, yung mga nakaka-proud na moments, no? Especially sa US talaga, no? Iba, I think, it's very
Iba yung
different
setting, oo.
no? Kasi tayo gusto natin, when our parents get old, nagstay sila sa atin sa bahay, no? We take care of them. I think sa US, even sila mismo yung nag-enroll sa sarili nila to like live in a skilled nursing
Kasi mahirap at saka mahal if mag out of pocket sila na yung individual care. Whereas yun, parang treated as a baby kasi sila doon eh. Yung medications nila, medical, lahat taken care of. Tapos yung rehab. Even yung mga appointments sa doktor, may nag-set up. So, wala talaga sila iisipin. Ano lang, enjoy na lang sa retirement nila, ganyan.
Yes, no?
Mm.
Yan. And syempre, no, so far, I think that's one of the, I think, best experience, no, that one PT or nurse can experience in a skilled nursing rehab, no? Like what you mentioned, from really like very reliant, tapos biglang naging parang high functioning.
Yeah. Ano din pala
Senior
yung
sila.
terms, di ba, total dependent, PD+, tapos maximum. If, parang same lang siya ba? But if iano mo talaga individually, yung total dependent, wala talaga magawa. Maximum, at least mga 2 tao, ganyan. Pero if yung bago ka na therapist, ganyan, so medyo mahirap din siya i-take a grasp ba kasi iba man yung sa practice sa Pinas. So, yan, yung mga terminologies. Tapos, kasi malaki yung facility, so yung boss namin, may every Wednesday may meeting sila na lahat ng mga heads of the department tracking sila. So ikaw individual usap kayo sa boss mo, ililista niya yung mga pasyente mo, ganyan, anong mga kaya nilang gawin. Tapos magmi-meeting sila. So sa experience ko din dati, hindi ko yan alam, di ba? So parang
Yes.
ang actual talaga ng pasyente is like high functioning sila pero not high functioning, like konti na lang yung tulong, but kasi parang hindi mo alam yung terms, ang masasabi mo mali. Instead of like yung patient is like contact card, masasabi mo moderate kasi bago ka pa, parang moderate talaga sa feeling mo pero sa totoo contact card na pala. So parang sabi, naglalakad na yun, ba't naging moderate yung assist? So like mga 1 to 2 weeks ko yan doon sa sa facility kasi yun, bago ka pa, so nag-adjust ka sa terms. Kasi wala man tayong nursing home sa Philippines, so hindi yung ginagamit masyado ba.
Okay. I think magandang pointers din yan, sir, no, to anyone na nakikinig right now, no. I think that's one of the important lessons, no, as a PT, no. Kasama yan sa
Terminologies,
transition.
basic. Pero
Yes,
naman,
no.
may
And thank
may
you.
tuturo naman sa'yo later on.
No. When you arrived pala sa facility, sir, how long was the training provided, sir? Or was there anyone
I was lucky enough na may mga senior therapist na patient na nagturo sa akin. Tapos si Alisa that time nandun din sa area, so may na-ask ko din siya ng mga ano ba ng ano ba ang ginagawa pag patient is ganito or sa evaluation or sa recertification, ano ba mga do's and don'ts. So at least ganyan, pero fortunately may mga senior therapists na nag-help talaga.
Yan. And I think right now, fortunately din sir, no, yung mga bagong darating na PTs, they now have a visa as well as their professional growth specialist, no. So Alisa will be able to like help them transition pagdating sa United States, no.
Yeah.
And I think yan yung mga highs, no, o yung mga positive experience throughout your stay sa skilled nursing facility or sa United States, sir, no? So, I think on the other side, we can also ask, no, sa tingin mo, sir, what are the biggest challenges naman that you have encountered working as a PT or kahit hindi working
Well,
as a
sa
PT,
experience ko talaga nung I mean, lahat naman nasa healthcare at that time, yung COVID, mahirap talaga kasi maraming nawala ng trabaho. At saka yung kami na nagtatrabaho at that time, kasi bago, so every week may changes, may maglalagay ka ng PPE, ganyan, tapos may steps, nagahugas kamay. At that time, more of supportive care na lang ginagawa namin sa ibang pasyente kasi hindi na nila kaya mag-feed sa self nila ba, tapos yung marami ding ibang staff na nasakit. Like yung mga CNA man yung tawag sa mga example nurse, tapos may under pa si nurse, tapos may under pa din si nurse na yung naglilinis, nag-ready ng mga pasyente. So yung mga nagre-ready ng mga pasyente, yung magpapakain, nagliligo, ganyan. Ang focus nila is paglinis na lang. So wala na silang time magpakain kasi iba nasakit, so quarantine ng ilang araw. So ang ginawa namin at that time, kahit na kami yung boss ko, kami nag-help ng papakain, ganyan, papainom ng tubig. Kasi kung wala talaga, baka wala na, patay na si patient. So, yun, challenge din yun. Oo. Ano pa? As a therapist sa malaking facility, yung isa din challenge ko dati is pag low yung staff, so mag-help ka na mag-do ng admissions na eval. So, tataas talaga yung araw mo ba. Nag-start ka ng day mo, like, let's say like 6, tapos maging 13 hours yung, mo kasi, yung duty mo kasi nag-wait ka ng na admissions eval. Mahirap din yun if ever kasi iba hindi dadating tapos nandun ka na ganyan ba.
Yes,
or biglang may 5 dadating. So mag-GG talaga yung buhay mo.
GG talaga, no? And that was during the time of pandemic, sir, or that's the normal phase?
So, during time of pandemic, yung instead of rehab lang yung focus namin, nag-help na kami papakain, bed turning na ganyan, papa-hydrate, yun. Tapos, sa naman yung mga long days kasi understaffed, tapos may biglang maraming pasyente na influx. So yun, mahirap din yan as a therapist.
Yes, sir. Pero on an average, sir, how many hours do you usually spend working as a PT in the facility?
After the pandemic, ganyan, mga usually 8 na lang. So parang naging regular naman siya.
Yes.
Pero sometimes nung marami pang admissions, tataas talaga, magiging 13 hours, ganyan. As high as 15, 16, yeah.
And thankfully, no, we're back to like the normal.
Yeah.
Yan, sir, no. And eto, sir, no, curious question lang din, no. I think all of the other PTs, no, curious din sila, no. And this might not be included on the interview questions din, no, na in-expect mo, sir, no. So, outside your hours kay Grandison, no, were you able to like do per diem hours, no, or also do like private services to other patients, ganyan, nalabas na kay Grandison?
I did not. Nag-ano lang talaga ako, nag-focus na ako sa isang work kasi pagod na naman ako.
Yeah.
So, focus na lang ako talaga sa isa lang trabaho ko.
Wow, okay. That's great to know.
Gal
And I think kahit isa lang yung job, no, it's well paying to like really support you and your family in the United States. Can we say that?
maka-survive ka din, yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos ano, kasi sa Grandison, 'di ba, malaki siya. So, I mean sa Borough Park, so marami talagang oras din. So, parang mag-other jobs ka pa, mahirapan ka pa lipat-lipat ba.
Yes, yes.
So,
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for that, sir, no? And so far, sir, no, throughout your 5 year stay in the United States, how will you rate the quality of life diyan, no?
first years mo talaga mag-struggle ka talaga kasi nag-build up ka pa ba.
Mm.
Tapos later on, like maka-save up ka na, maka-build ka na ng credit, so makakabili ka na ng mga kailangan mo, ganyan. Like, example, mga laptop, mga ganyan, magagamit man yan din kasi if ever mag-aaral ka ng DPT, ganyan, makaka-help din yun. Tapos yung quality of life naman, so far, every year parang bumubuti naman eh. So, I would say, worth it naman. Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
Mahirap lang kasi malayo ka sa family, but, you know.
Yes. And right now po ba, sir, yung family niyo is nakasunod na po sila sa inyo?
Yes, yung asawa ko nandito na.
Wow, congratulations!
Thank
Ayan.
you, thank you. Yeah.
So what year po siya nag-arrive, sir? Just after pandemic as well?
Yeah, naka-visit din sa during pandemic, like
Mm.
December. But after that, umuwi siya, let's say 2021, nandito na siya.
Wow,
Oo.
2021. So,
Mm.
medyo mahaba-haba na rin, sir, no? 2021. So that's like
Oo.
rin po, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, and so far, sir, no,
Mhm.
ito hindi lang to as a PT, no.
Mhm.
Maybe as an individual who migrated to the United States
Mm.
or everything or anything, sir, no. What do you think was your
Mm.
biggest achievement so far? Yeah.
Well, personally, yung naka-afford na ako na magpakasal, ganyan. Tapos mag-travel, kasawa ng misis, ganyan.
Mm.
Maka-help konti sa family doon sa Pinas. So, yun. Tapos may masisave ka na pera.
Wow.
Yun.
Exciting, no?
Kahit
Exciting na
papaano.
nakaka-travel na, nakaka-save,
Oo. Kaya mo na, okay.
yan. And so far ba, sir, can I say that that was one of your long-term goals in life prior starting working as a
Yeah,
PT?
oo. Isa din sa goal kasi mas mas better naman talaga yung opportunity as PT dito eh kasi
Mhm.
mas, 'di ba, mas more yung pay.
Yeah.
So, yun.
Mm. Thank you so much, sir. I mean, congratulations, sir, no, for achieving that
Yeah.
long-term
Thank
goal.
you, thank you.
Yan, we're so happy for you, sir, no? And eto, medyo marami pa akong tanong, sir, pero please hang in there.
Sige.
I know pagod ka na.
Okay.
7:30 PM dyan sa US right now, sir, no? So, throughout that 5 years, no, sir, how did you like maintain your commitment? Kasi syempre mahirap, no? Parang minsan nakakapagod na. Like what you mentioned, especially pinagdaanan mo yung pandemic
Mm.
na umaabot kayo ng 13 hours because short staff, right? Compared to the
Well,
normal 8 hours lang. How did you stay committed to Grandison? And how did Grandison help you with that then?
I'd say like, gusto ko naman talaga maging PT. So, parang tapos yung makikita mo yung pasyente na mag-enjoy sila or matutulungan.
Yes.
So, parang rewarding kasi na parang na parehas kayong umaangat. So, yun, nakaka-help din yun. Tapos, ano, 'pag may time ka talaga na mag-break, i-take advantage mo talaga na mag-break ka, like go somewhere na hindi mo pa napuntahan, mga ganyan.
Yes.
Yun, other states. Ah,
Yes. Kung i-describe mo ba, sir, was 5 years so long? Or long
I would
enough?
say,
Sakto lang?
parang mabilis lang kasi everyday parang busy ka naman, so mabilis lang talaga, yeah. Tapos
Okay.
ang dami na nangyari, ganyan.
actually, no, throughout your stay, sobrang dami nangyari, no? 2019
Oo.
arrival, wala ka pang 1 year, nag-pandemic na pala sa US, sir. Kasi you arrived 2019,
Yeah,
2020,
yeah.
no?
Oo.
So, grabe. And
Mm.
luckily, sir, no, like what you mentioned earlier, maraming nawalan ng trabaho during the pandemic. And I think,
Mm.
can we say that it's an advantage that you are under an agency?
Agency, yeah, nakaka-help talaga kasi ano eh, if ever nagsira yung facility mo at that time, tutulungan ka din naman nila na maghanap na iba or continue pa naman yung salary. And at that time, in-increase nila yung ano, may parang hazard pay ba. So
Okay.
yan, malaking tulong din yun.
Yep.
Mm.
That's great to know,
Mm.
sir, no? And I think
Mm.
it's also a testament to Grandison's hashtag, no? The Grandison Secure Placement, no? Being
Mm.
committed to the Filipino PTs nurses. Sabi mo, grabe naman yung ano, plug na yan, ano, commercial na yan. No, sir, no, I just mentioned lang. Ayan.
Oo.
And so
Yeah.
far, sir, no, going back to the facility, no,
Uh,
if ever, no, for example, no, there's a younger PT kung magtatanong sa'yo,
mhm.
is it worth it to like work in a skilled nursing facility or in a rehab?
Um,
I-recommend
yeah,
mo ba siya?
because ano talaga, secure talaga yung trabaho mo tapos mapipace mo yung sarili. Like, for example, di ba matagal na ako doon. Tapos, for a long time parang na-forget ko na yung hilig ko sa basketball ba. Tapos may mga kilnami na naging kaibigan ako doon sa work na mga ibang lahi, ganyan. Tapos laro kami ganyan. So 2 blocks away sa saan ako nakatira, may park doon. So yung hospital is just adjacent kung saan kami nagtatrabaho. So
Mm.
nagkalaro ko din yung mga taga-hospital. So parang okay, fun. Aside from work, may leisure time ka ba?
Yes.
And
To gain friends, no?
yeah, I made a lot of friends. And fortunately, yung boss ko, hindi masyadong strict na kailangan busy ka palagi. Pag natapos mo na yung trabaho mo, tapos walang problema sa pasyente, pwede naman na ano hindi ka naman mag-abuse, 'di ba? Parang yung lunch break mo gamitin mo 'yan for ano, exercise or playing. So, 'yun na parang na take advantage ko din at that time. Maganda din 'yun. Tapos ano din, basta parang worth it naman talaga siya. Yeah. I
Okay.
would say. Yeah.
And iba din talaga siguro, no? Kasi you are able to like handle different types, no?
Oo.
Na residents, no? Nung sinabi mo kanina,
Mm.
sir, iba-iba rin yung mga terms na ginagamit, no? And one of your
Oo.
experience, so from total dependent to like
Mm.
sobrang ano na, high functioning na.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay? That's great to
Iba
hear,
din
no?
parang mahirap. Iba din mahirap. Yung ibang pasyente is like Chinese speaking only or Spanish speaking. So yun, mahirap. Kailangan mo ng translator.
Ganung residents din sila, yes.
Oo. Parang mag-wonder ka, nasa Amerika ka na pero hindi pa rin kayo magkakaintindihan. Kasi kahit na English, di nila alam. So yun
Okay.
din yung isa sa mga challenges pala sa mga new therapists. If ever saan ka malagay, huwag ka ma-expect na lahat marunong mag-English kasi iba din sa kanila. Parang sa'yo ba na nag-migrate for greener pastures, ganyan. So
Yes.
adjust ka lang tapos later on, ano ka talaga, may mahanap ka na system na what works best for you.
Yeah. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir, no, for sharing that. And,
Yeah.
no, now natapos na yung 5 years kay Grandison, pwede ba kami magtanong, sir, what's next, no? Or what's waiting for Noel? Yan. Ano nang next
Ano,
supervision, Noel?
practice ka na ng sarili mo. So, wala namang marami naman talagang work eh. So, hindi ka talaga maghihirap as a PT yon. So, ano lang talaga, just do your best, finish your contract, ganyan. Tapos, pag-ipon-ipon lang, ganyan.
Yan. So far in yung plans natin, sir, no? Ipon-ipon muna
Ah,
tayo, sir, no?
yeah.
Okay. So I think that sounds like a good plan, sir, no? Especially ngayon
Oo.
na, tapos na kay Grandison, no? And like what you mentioned, ang daming opportunities waiting for you outside,
Mhm.
no? Yan. And
Mhm.
I think this will be my last question na rin, sir, no?
Mhm.
What can you say para po sa mga PTs right now,
Mhm.
who's considering working abroad, no?
Mhm.
Possibly baka hindi pa US yung kanilang option, no? But yon, ano yung advice or tip na mabibigay mo sa kanila?
Um, try if may goal ka talaga, try to like stick to it. Wag kang magpaligoy-ligoy tapos ano, dasal lang talaga. 'Yun, na maga-guide ka and don't be afraid to ask questions sa mga kilala mo or sa mga kahit na hindi mo kilala tapos kita mo na okay. Kasi if i-reject ka naman niya, 'di so what, move on. Yeah, ask ka rin na ulit.
Mm.
Um, yeah, get the information you need before you decide to do something. Yun. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Opo. Sorry, sir,
Educated
'no?
guess kung bale
Oo.
yan.
May nakalimutan pala akong dalawang questions,
Oo,
'no?
oo.
So most likely this is about Grandison naman na, sir, 'no?
Okay.
So,
Mm.
do you think there's anything that Grandison can also improve on as we move forward? Ayan.
Well, sa experience ko, para sa akin, mahal talaga yung insurance tapos kailangan siya eh. So I think if maka-find ng way na mas affordable sa mga therapist kasi kahit di ba, nag-try na sila na pamurahin pero mahal pa rin if ever.
Okay.
So, yun, if ma-improve yun tapos ano pa. So far, yun lang sa akin eh. Yung sa experience ko, yun yung mahirap eh, yung insurance.
Okay,
Mm.
sir. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that, sir, no? And we'll
Mm.
also make sure that that also reaches our USA officer, no? So that they can
Mm.
also look into it, no? And aside from that, sir, was there any issues or concerns, no, na meron kayo throughout working with Grandison that wasn't resolved, no? Or kailangan pang ma-resolve or anything?
Ah, ano lang yung mga scheduling lang kasi ano, that time yung staff na naka-work nag-assign sa Grandison that time is parang strict ba. So nahirapan ako dating umuwi para kasal ganyan. Pero ngayon okay naman yung staff ngayon eh. So
Yes, sir.
I think na-address na yung concern na yan. Yan. Tapos maganda kasi may 'di ba may mga Filipino na mga staff ang Grandison na hindi lang purely na mga Hudyo. So malaking tulong din 'yon, 'yon.
Sir, you were pertaining to the leave, sir, no?
Yeah, oo, kasi dati mahirap kasi mag-ask ka pa ng permission sa facility mo
Yes.
before ka i-approve ng Grandison, ganyan. Kahit na okay na yung sa facility mo,
Mm.
yung babae naman na naka-assign doon parang may topak. So,
Okay, sir,
pero
no?
wala na siya diyan, wala na siya. So, okay na.
Oo. So far,
Oh,
so
magaling na
good,
yun.
sir. And I think
So
right
far,
now,
magaling naman si El.
okay, sir. That's Lloyd, no? I think bigay
Sila.
mo yung mukha ni Sir Lloyd, no? Thank you, sir, for
Hindi
the
ko na siya
feedback, no?
nakita eh. Pero
Hindi mo na
thank you, magaling
naabutan.
ka.
Okay. Ayan. Thank you so much for the feedback. And I'll make sure na makarating din yan kay Sir Lloyd, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Yan. Yan.
Sure.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir. We really value those concerns and feedbacks, no? That hopefully we
Mhm.
can improve on those as we move forward po. And again, Sir
Mhm.
Noel, maraming salamat po, no, for the
You're
5
welcome.
of commitment. Yan. And of course, sharing almost 1 hour of your time with us, no, for
Oo
today's
na
issue.
ba? Ano lang
Ayan.
talaga guys, I would say enjoy lang talaga yung journey. Tapos ano naman tayo Pilipino so sanay naman tayo na
Hirap.
medyo mahirap. So parang
Nag-adjust.
wala lang yan yung mga challenges dito. Pero yung lamig lang talaga yan. So
Yes.
bundle up.
Mm.
Yan.
And ito, this is a joke lang, sir, no?
Oh.
Ng ibang nasa US din 'to. I'm not sure if
Mm.
same joke applies to you, sir, no? Yung sabi, "Ha?" Yung parang, mahirap na yan sa'yo? Sisiw lang yan sa'min sa Pinas, eh." Parang something like that.
Ah, oo, kasi iba kasi yung parang expectation versus reality, iba kasi. So, parang hindi din nila
Mm.
hindi din nila mag-grasp until they're in the situation.
Yeah. And iba
Yeah.
talaga siguro yung training, from the
Oo.
Pilipino. And iba na rin talaga kapag nakapag-migrate ka na, eh. Kasi parang feeling mo na
Mm.
kumbaga nalagpasan mo na yung hurdles and obstacles going to the United States, 'no? So kaya mo
Mhm.
talaga. Ayan.
Yan, makaya mo talaga siya guys. Ano lang, um,
tibay ng loob at isip.
Yun.
Ayan, sir. No? So once again, sir, thank you so much po, Sir Noel. We will
So,
be
you're welcome.
you na po, sir. And thank you din po sa mga viewers natin. Yan.
Okay.
Yan. So I'll be cutting it there na, sir. Maraming salamat po, Sir Noel.
Okay.
Have a good
You're
rest.
welcome, Judy.
Yan, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Alright.
Bye po.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye po.